Here's how to go live on TikTok in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Before going live on TikTok, you must be at least 18 years old and have at least 1,000 followers. If you don't meet these requirements, the live option won't appear. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, the same button you use to upload videos. Swipe the bottom menu until you see Live. Tap on Live to continue. Enter a title for your live stream. Choose something clear and engaging so more people join your live. You can turn on filters, effects, and adjust who can comment before going live. When you're ready, tap Go Live. Your TikTok live stream will start immediately. To end your live, tap the X button in the top corner. Make sure your internet connection is strong to avoid lag or live stream issues. And that's it. You've successfully gone live on TikTok. Subscribe for more TikTok and phone tips.